Sele kusikhathi sakhona bagijima baqhulana ngenhloko ababika indaba ngaphakathi kwalomakhiwo. Nanzi ezithujileko.
What motivated you to act in circumstances where there was nothing in the content of the letter from the minister?
Isikhulu sebandla eliphenya obukhohlakali uAdvocate Andrea Johnson uzifumena ngaphakathi kwemibuzo ebudisi ekomishini kaMadlanga ngekambiso yezinto ebandleneli.
The EFF objects to the president not giving evidence himself.
The president must be provided with a final issue list before he is called upon to answer, Chairperson.
Iyaphikisana imbono ngendaba yokuthi umengameli ayokuvela ekomitini ekubizelwa kiyo abomengameli nabenze okuphambana nokulunga. Abanye bathi akayi, abanye bathi angayi.
It was stolen actually from us because when they take it out of the infrastructure program plan, nobody was told.
Singabotsotsi abasithathela yona phasi.
Abantu bendawo ezincanga kwaNdebele eMpumalanga bamathele ema-ofisini womnyango wezokuthutha ePitori bayokuzwakalisa isililo seminyakanyaka sesitimela endleleni yemloto.
Provincial finds football experts, former legends on the continent, the smartest, the brightest. The purpose of that is to talk about what can we do better.
Umengameli we-Confederation of African Football uPatrice Motsepe uthi umdlalo webhola yabomma uqakatheke njengalo wabobaba kunjalo nje kufuze nawo utshejwe. Siyathokoza emakhaya ngokuthi nisamukele njengoba nasi siphetheza ntambama nje ku-SABC 1 ngingu-Cedric Mwebya akwande. Umphathi we-IDEC uAdvocate Andrea Johnson onelwazi leminyaka edlula ema-30 njengomtshutshisi usifumena ngaphakathi kwamafutha atshisako malungana nokusebenzisa umthetho ku-IDEC ecaleni elimalungana nokuqatsha kwakhe uDineo Mokweli kezobuhloli. Lokhu njengesihlathululo sika-Johnson sokuthoma sokuhlola kwelunga leParlamente uFadel Adams ekudlulisweni kwe-affidavit yakhe esigabeni sama-27 athi batsho bekuyindlela yokuzikhethela kanti lokho kuphakamise ukuthwenyeka ekomishini.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga iragele phambili nokuphenya icala lobukhohlakali nobukhwabanisi le-IDEC mayelana nomphathi wezobuhloli uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo kunye nezinye imphathimandla kulandela ukuthi umphathi we-IDEC uAdvocate Andrea Johnson ahlole izinsolo zelunga leParlamente uFadel Adams phezu kwe-affidavit yakhe yomthetho wesigaba sama-27 ekumthetho ovumela ukuthi omunye nomunye umuntu angafaka i-affidavit nakasola bona kunobelelesi obuthileko obenzekako kanti lokho kuphakamise imibuzo ekomishinini.
Your understanding was this muddled view of what the test was, which muddled view came out as I engaged you. So that was your understanding until now, until during this engagement. Is that a fair suggestion to you?
It is fair.
Ikomishini le ibuye yezwa nokuthi indaba yokudluliselwa phambili kwe-affidavit yavela encwadini evela e-ofisini likaNgqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu kanti incwadi le yayinganalitho elithinta isigaba sama-27 esiphathelene ne-IDEC kodwana uJohnson akhange ahlola uNgqongqotjhe amtshele lokho okwenza bona kube nemibuzo ukuthi ingahani uJohnson wayesaba uNgqongqotjhe na.
What was the motive behind your action? If it was not fear of the minister, what then was the motive for you to act in the manner in which you did?
Is to follow up on, is there a section 27?
Ikomishini ibuye yezwa ubufakazi bokuthi IDEC yabo ukudluliselwa kwe-affidavit esigabeni sama-27 ku-Adams ngemva kwencwadi evela e-ofisini kaMchunu kunokuthi ibawe incwadi leyo kuCedric Nkabinde omphathi wezabasebenzi. Bonakale ngasuthi IDEC ithome iphenyo elingahlanganiko nokubanjwa kwamadokheti ekuyindaba nkulu incwadi le ethonyeke ngayo. Ukulayelwa kwekomishini kuyaraga.
Ibandla labatshutshisi ecaleni likaNgqondo uVusimuzi Khet Matlala nabanwe asolwa nabo baphaye isibawo samagqwetha akhe sokuveza inthombe zendawo yesehlakalo lapha osomabhizinisi uJoe Sibanyoni adunyuzelwa khona ngoRhoboyi ka-2022. Lokhu kuvele ngelanga lesithathu nabekulalelwe ikambiso yecala lakhe ecourt ephakeme kweJohannesburg.
Igqwetha lomsolwa wesibili uMusa Kekana bekafuna ukwethula inthombe njengobufakazi nebekachukwa ngembuzo ufakazi wokthoma uBethwel Cele obeka ngugadi eCenturion Golf Estate lapha isehlakalo senzeka khona. uMatlala usolwa ngokurera iqhinga lokulinga ukubulala uJoe Sibanyoni nentombakhe uTebogo Thobejane kunye nomvumi uDJ Ventis elingakhange liphumelele.
The simple reason that he wants to use these photographs is to obtain a picture of what the scene of crime looked like so that everyone in this courtroom is able to follow the position.
Amagqwetha kaMatlala agandelele bona inthombe zendawo ekwenzeka kiyo isehlakalo zizokwakha isithombe sendawo lapha isehlakalo sokudumuza esenzeka khona.
Ahlanganisiwe amacala obulelesi kaSergeant Fanny Nkosi wephiko lamapholisa atsheje ubulelesi obuhleliweko eGauteng. Amacala ahlanganiswe njengomana umbuso ulungiselela ukulalela kwecala lakhe nje. uNkosi uvele kafeatureane phambi kwekhotho kaMagistrata weTlhagwini yePitori namhlanje.
uSergeant Fanny Nkosi uvele phambi kwekhotho namhlanje ngemva kokuthi icala lakhe lisusiwe ekhotho kaMagistrata weThoyandou lithunyelwe ePitori. Ecaleni leli umbuso utbacho uNkosi wafuna amadokheti kubalwa hlangana isikhwama sesangu ngobukirikitshani. Ngemva kwalokho isikhwameso sabuyiselwa esiteshini samapholisa ekwathi nasihlolisiswako kwatholakala ukuthi siphuthululiwe. Umbuso utshele ikhotho ukuthi unesitifiketi esivumela ukuthi amacala la alalelwe ekhotho yinye.
The state is in possession of a certificate authorizing centralization of a matter which occurred in Venda, in Thoyandou, and the certificate is attached to the charge sheet of authorization from the Deputy National Director of Public Prosecutions. In addition to that, Your Worship, the matter is ready for trial and may be transferred to the regional court.
Iqotha likaNkosi liqinisekise ukuthi lasifumana isitifiketi lithi likulungele ukuraga necala.
First, we wish to confirm that I was furnished with a copy of the centralization certificate. I do confirm that I am in possession of such. We have discussed the date, Worship, of the 19th day of August. The date is indeed in order.
uNkosi uzokusolo asemaseyileni ufikela mhla avela khona godu phambi kwekhotho kaMagistrata weTlhagwini yePitori nakalithumi October kuRhoboyi.
Kabanye indaba yokuthi uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa abizelwe phambi kwekomiti ephenya ngezenzo ezingakalungi esikhundleni sakhe njengomengameli ifanelo akusindo ekufuze ibanjelwe ibandla. Kodwa nabanye bathi bayala bathi angaveli.
Incwadi emumethe yonke imininingwana enziwe ngokuhlanganyelwa zinhlangano zepolitiki le ifundelwa amalungu eParliamente kodwa linye iphuzo elijamileko. Mbuzo ukuthi uMengameli uRamaphosa oyena phakathi kwendaba le kufanele avele ngenyama zokwethula ubufakazi na?
President cannot give evidence through a legal representative or an intermediary.
Dr. Hlophe has raised the critical issue, and that is the wording as presently formulated that the president can elect to give evidence
However, narrow should not mean that the scope of it is only limited, that it doesn't encapsulate.
Because there's prima facie evidence against him, it is not a suspicion when that is put against the president.
The EFF objects to the president not giving evidence himself. Will be failing the people of South Africa.
Kodwana abanye abavumelani nalokhu.
Must be provided with a final issue list, such as evidence bundle, witness statements and summaries, expert material, and any adverse material relied upon before he is called upon to answer, Chairperson.
Komiti le uMakatshulekana ufuna iluleko sezomthetho kilokhu.
A possible legal can then prepare that briefing to the committee for next week Wednesday.
Izoklolela nebandleni likaNgcobo ibabawe bona bavele phambi kwayo baletha umbiko wabo. Nakusenjalo amalungu eParliament akhanga benesivumelwano endabeni leso ukuthi ngubani kufuza dose phambili ubufakazi. Bayokuhlangana ngelesithathu naka-29 ukuqedelela indaba le.
Nasibuya entolo.
Because a lot of drug lords around the area. Law enforcers must begin to enforce the law.
Izakhamuzi zeBaptina zithi zikholekile bulelesi zigcine sezimatsha namhlanje. Siyakwamukela mbukeli na uqede ukungena indaba sekhona lapha kanike nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Izakhamuzi zeBaptina eMpumalanga zilila ngokwanda kobulelesi endaweni le. Izakhamuzi zithi indawo le seyiphenduke idzaba lezenzo zobulelesi. Abantu bamayina ngokungemthetho, indakamizwa zitholakala konke nabantu bazithathela nemakhiwo. Basola amaphandla nganamaphepha ngokuthi ngiwahagalisa ezehlakalo zobulelesi. Begodi bafuna kuqiniswa isandla somthetho.
Abantu balapha bahlezi macuphe ngenxa yobelelesi. Bagcine babona kungcono ukuyokuchagala. Bathubelelesi bhagele khulu. Bamachele emabhizinisini aphethwe maphandle edrobheneli ngaphambi kokuthi bachinge epolice station eminyangweni wezangikhaya.
We heard that allegedly there's a Zambian citizen, a lady there who's busy giving these buildings to these illegal foreigners.
Balitho bayaligandelela lokuthi balwa nobelelesi ingasi nobuchaba bomuntu. Bafuna labo abalelesako umthetho ubagole.
We've got a lot of drug lords around the area. In fact, we've got a group that's called Task Force. It's a local civic group that has arrested a lot of these people. We are also saying that law enforcers must begin to enforce the law because it clearly shows that they are sleeping on duty too.
Amapolisa avumile bona ubelelesi bomraro begodu bakhuthaza izakhamuzi bona zibike zonke izehlakalo zobelelesi.
Abantu bendawo ezikwandebele eMpumalanga bachagelele eminyangweni wezokuthutha ePitori ukusa isililo sabo seminyakanyaka sokuthi kwakhiwe isiporo sesitimela. Kanti njengoba zivalwa namhlanje imphakamiso zabantu ehlelweni le-National Rail Master Plan, izakhamuzi zithi nangeze kwenzeka nje angeze kusenzeka. Izakhamuzi zithi uhulumende akabaphathe njengawo wonke umuntu welizweli.
Ayifuna itrain siyayifuna. Phasi ngabotsotsi abasithathela yona phasi.
Indaba yendlela yemloto yindaba ebeseligugu nabantu abaningi abakhe endaweni ezingakwandebele. Lokhu kuza ngemva kwengozi eziningi ezenzeka endleleni yemloto ngenxa yokuthi ithi incane njalo ukube ngahlanye ihlanganisa imfundo endathu ekuyiGauteng, eMpumalanga neLimpopo. Namhlanje abachagali bakanye babuyele entradeni bayokwethula incwadi yenlilo efuna ukuthi kukhulunywe nomphakathi ngomklamo we-National Rail Master Plan.
We write to express our profound shock, disappointment and outright rejection regarding the apparent omission of the Moroto Rail Corridor from the current draft National Rail Master Plan.
Ungqongqotshe wezokuthutha uBarbara Chris uvumela umphakathi ukuthi ufake imphakamiso zawo ngosihlabantangana unyaka lo ekulihlelo elibiza imali engange 2 trillion yamaranda leminyaka emithathu lokubuyisa intimela njengomgogodla womkhakha wezokuthutha nakufika u2050. Izakhamuzi ezizithi iMloto corridor yayiyingcenye yehlelo leofisi likaMengameli lokwakhiwa komthangalasisekelo kodwana lalahlwa ngemva kwesikhathi. Zithi zifuna iMloto corridor ibuyiselwe emahlelweni kahulumende.
It was promised by Jacob Zuma on the SONA statement 2017 to the people of KwaNdebele, Limpopo, that is Mpumalanga, Limpopo and Gauteng. But to our surprise, till today, it was never done. It was taken off the infrastructure project plan of the president.
Isiporo esichukunyisako esibe kufuze sihlanganise iGauteng, iLimpopo neMpumalanga. Keminye imindeni eyabhujelwa kule ndlela yeMloto kubuya inyembezi zodwa nakukhulunywa ngayo.
The cost of commuting by road eats away at the meager wages of our people. The rail corridor was promised as a permanent solution to save lives. Its omission is an abandonment of that promise.
Inthunywa zomnyango wezokuthutha bezikhona ukwamukela incwadi yenlilo kodwana sithe sibuze ngezwe ngobatsho yokuthi indaba yesitimela yeMloto ikhutshwe isidu zibhalile ukuphawula.
We were not given reasons. It was stolen actually from us because when they take it out of the infrastructure program plan, nobody was told. We discovered on the streets that is taken off.
Amuzi zinikela umnyango wezokuthutha amalanga ali-14 ukuthi uphendule inlilo zazo kanti zithi azikazi ukutsho njenganje ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani nange umnyango lo ungaphenduli inlilo zabo.
Asikala umbono wakho mbukele ngendaba ephela kule naku uyalandela.
Lento izifana ubuhlungu kanti sekwenze njani ngoba kwakuthenjiswa abantu indlela yesitimela
kade khulu into leyo yakhulunywa President uJacob Zuma weza azange yaphumelela.
South Africa vele kuze bakuze ukuthi uthini kumele ukuthi uphakamisa inyama.
Asithomeni sichange i-political party singasabavotela and then siphume kibo njengoba nathi baphume kithi.
Sinohulumente onemibono nezithembiso ezihle kodwa ezingayindawo.
Abachagale khulu balwela amalungelo abo babathatha kancancane.
Ya government arina idlala ka rena ekuna l'accident ko Mloto road R73 kona va train mara usine accident ababulele silo.
Izakhamuzi zaKwaNdebele zifanele zibe mkhathi kankomanyana zathenjiswa umkhathi njenganje sebachugulula indawo.
Umbona ngombukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlalo ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kezemali iranta linzinzile nalinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Khambe sokuqala ubujamo bezulu nobusayi.
Asikuthokoze Cedric siloshise umbukeli ekhaya kungelesithathu napho ubujamo bakho bezulu sibona lapha ngentshingalanga yenaga ngale ngeSewula kushidela umoya omakhaza uphekelela lapha amafu afikela lapha ke endaweni zangale ngeCape Town kanti ke livulile phakathi nenaga yeSewula Africa nangeMpumalanga kanti ke kusasa sibona lapha umoya loya uyachidela uchidela nangale ke endaweni zangale ngakubo George kanti ke kuba namathuba wezulu nge30% ukuthoma lapha eCape Town urakele njalo phambili Gqeberha Mthatha nangale ke ngeDurban kanti ke nesifundeni sangapha ngeFreystata nemkhawulweni nakya ohlukanisa lapha indawo yange Northwest nangaleke ngeTlhagwini Kapa sicala ke kusasa ukuthi amazinga okuchisa azabe anjani nasithome ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng Bronkhortspruit 22 Pitori 23 ngemva kwamadina lapha eJohannesburg 20 kuseni nebusuku kumakhaza yombathe ufuthumele siyokuqala isifunda sangalengele Limpopo ukuthi sona sinjani kumakhaza ekuseni nebusuku kwaphela kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda sonke sifuthumele kamnandi ngale ngendaweni yange Limpopo asiyokuqala isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kulala kuvuke kumakhaza kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda siyazipholela nje kuthi lapha endaweni yesikhukhuza kuyatshisa nge-31 standard 10 -1 ebusuku nekuseni bathani nifuthumele KwaZulu Natal leya ke nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda sifuthumele iDurban nge-24 iRichards Bay nge-27 lapha eKokstad nge-20 nje kupholile ngemva kwamadina iTjingalanga Kapa ke leya pheze indawo eziningi zimakhaza lapha ke nawuthi uqala endaweni yangale ngeWillow 17 angithi kwakhona iPumalanga Kapa eMthatha yona ke ifuthumele nge-24 nasiya ke iTjingalanga Kapa sifunda sonke imini yonke kumakhaza eCape Town nakuthi amazinga phakeme afika lapha nje ku-15 kwaphela mbathani nifuthumele iTlhagwini Kapa leya ke ebonakala nayo endaweni eziningi kumakhaza isifunda pheze sonke lapha eCalvina -1 ekseni ngemva kwamadina yi-14 nje kwaphela iKimberley yona ke ipholile neKuruman nge-21 ngemva kwamadina iFreystata ibonakala ke ipholile ngemva kwamadina ngezinye indawo lapho kunyeke njenge-Fixburg nalapha eGarib Dam kumakhaza pheze imini yonke eTlhagwini Kapa ke leya ngithi lapha eTlhagwini Tjingalanga yona ke imakhaza ebusuku nekuseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda sithi ukuphola siye ngokufuthumala asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dido
Kungelesithathu njengemhlenu siqalela indaba zamakhetho sikhambisana noThando Xolo Chembeni ozosihlathulela ngokufaka imbawo kwabonkhethani. Akwande babu Chembeni inhlangano zepolitiki kunye nabonkhethani abazijameleko bawathola phi amaforomo okuzihlolisa?
Kwande mhathi sibingelele nababukeli bohlelo abafuna ukubhalisela ukungenela amakhetho bafanele kungena ku website IEC www.elections.org.za baye bayongena lapha ku online candidate nomination system ilapho bazothola khona amaforomu okubhalisela khona esiwabiza ngama appendix anezinombolo zakhona ukuthi ubhalisa ngeform elithize elisebenzana elokusekela abangenela ukhetho namafomu alabo abangenela ukhetho bazimele so bafanele ukungena ku candidate nomination system ye online ilaba bazoncedeka khona bese bagcwalisa basubmita ngendlela yakhona.
Sithokoze babu Chembeni ukuba nawe namhlanje si. Masibuya entolo. Kesimbi yekhomba kulandela zesizulu indaba kanti kusasa ngesikhathi esifanako ngezesiswati isale umusa.